This DesertX feels more like a large bicycle than a large ADV bicycle, despite its ergonomic comfort. In addition to having the option of a higher, one-piece rally-style seat which makes the transition to stepping on the legs even simpler, Ducati provides seat choices that range in height from 34.4 to 34.1 inches plus suspension kits that can lower it as low as 33.3 inches. For the road, there are 4 rider customizable riding modes. Sport mode has the least degree of traction and wheelie control, a full 110 HP, and dramatic, rapid throttle response. The entire 110 HP power, better throttle response, and increased traction control and wheelie distraction are all features of the touring option. Urban style reduces power to 95 HP and offers a smooth throttle response in addition to higher levels of traction plus wheelie control. The greatest degrees of traction and wheelie control are available in the wet mode, which has a 95 HP output. These 4 settings all allow for complete customization by the biker. It is possible to adjust the throttle response, ABS, power output, traction control, engine's brakes, and wheelie control. Sport is without a doubt the most exciting and enjoyable option to switch between, followed by touring or urban. With a huge supermoto attitude that makes you smile, perform wheelies as instructed. The more laid-back touring setting, which has a smoother throttle response, more aggressive traction control, and an all-around friendlier attitude, is ideal for savoring those long stretches of highway. Additionally, it is navigating Aspen's the center rush hour traffic while growing in urban mode. This 21-inch front wheels on the DesertX are a first for Ducati. Although this setup is prevalent in serious off-roading, it isn't particularly renowned for its agility on the road. Ducati missed the memo, and the DesertX is fantastic around turns. It turned in well and maintained a largely steady and planted feeling throughout the entire turn. Ducati only. The DesertX has exceptional driving manners thanks in part to Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tubeless tires. It's undoubtedly the best handling ADV bike when riding on asphalt. Just a flick of the thumb. 4-piston Brembo monoblock calipers and dual 320mm semi-float discs can stop the DesertX from moving quickly. Strong, controlled, progressive, and with excellent feel, brake force. Their ergonomics, as was already said, are cozy and seem organic. The most comfy ADV motorcycle is this one. It is light, feels agile enough, and lacks the heaviness that may be an inconvenience on difficult terrain and at moderate speeds. The ready weight is 492 pounds, whereas the dry weight is 445 lb. It does not feel like a 450cc enduro, but it also does not feel like a motorcycle that weighs close to 500 pounds. On trails you can routinely and reliably change direction with little effort. Very balanced front-to-back balancing makes the motorcycle seem nimble despite its weight. This DesertX's chassis is clearly designed for the dirt, and owing to KYB's balanced front and rear suspension, it feels completely at home whenever the asphalt wears off. Front 9.1 inches of ride are provided by completely adjustable 46mm inverted forks, while rear 8.7 inches are provided by fully adjustable monoshocks. Rally and Enduro are the 2 adventure driving options available. With 110 HP, dynamic throttle response, little traction control, the lowest ABS settings up front, and deactivated rear ABS, Rally is a more aggressive vehicle. How noble the beast is demonstrated in Beast Mode. Rally style is pure excitement for off-roaders with greater experience. Switch to Enduro style. The 75 HP engines nevertheless has the aggressive throttle response needed for off-road driving conditions. Along with traction control, the ABS levels up front and back were increased by 1 notch. Wheelie control is still not engaged. Remember that each element may be customized for any or both drive styles. Depending on your preferences, ABS, throttle response, traction control, and engine's brakes can be provided. The Enduro mode is really good. Through rocky and slick terrain, electronic systems make sure the bike has plenty of tractability and control. This DesertX performs just as well off-road as it does on the road. The greatest mid-range ADV bike and all-around ADV bike have both been challenged by the powerful ADV motorbike that Ducati has created.